Hellcat.
What's up guys, this is Navid and you're watching Navid's View. Today we will do the unboxing OPPO new model Reno 3. The device is already available in the market and the price is AED1399 and in dollars it's approximately $380. In this you are getting 6.4 inch display, 1080 by 2400 pixel, AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16 million colors and 84.2 screen to body ratio. The weight is pretty decent, it's 170 gram and you will get the 411 pixels per inch. Operating system you are getting the latest Android 10 with Colors OS 7. Storage you are getting 128 GB and it's coming with 8 GB RAM with UFS 2.1 and processor you are getting octa-core. Chipset is from MediaTek MT6779 Helio P90 12 nanometer and GPU Power VR GM9446, which is pretty decent for the mid-range phones. Here you are getting the optical under display fingerprint as well and the battery is 4025 mAh with fast charging and 30 watts. The best thing, you can charge your phone 50% just in 30 minutes and 100% in 73 minutes. It's available in two colors, midnight black and aurora blue. In camera, the main camera you are getting 48 megapixel and telephoto 13 megapixel, ultra wide 8 megapixel and the fourth camera is macro lens which is 2 megapixel. The best thing, you can record the 4K video but it's only on 30 frame per second. The front camera is 44 megapixel with aperture f2.4, so you can take very good picture in low light conditions. Front camera video recording 1080p on 30 frame per second. So friends, let me know your thoughts below in comments. See you in next video on Navid's View.